Welcome back to the SB Flute Studio YouTube channel. This is episode 3, Additional Cleaning and Care Tips. In episode 2, we covered how to swab out your flute after each time you play it. Make sure to use a plastic or wood cleaning rod, not metal. Cotton, microfiber, and silk are some examples of materials you can use for your swab cloth. Whatever swabbing material you choose, be sure that it's not too bulky, or it could get stuck in your flute when you try to swab it. If it gets really stuck, gently try to back it out. If it's really stuck, I recommend you bring it to an instrument technician to have it safely removed. Another way to swab is to use a flute flag or flute wand. When performing these additional cleaning tips, remember to work closely over a surface. For the head joint cleaning, a clean microfiber cloth works well. If needed, you can add a dab of water or rubbing alcohol to the cloth for stubborn residue. The lip plate commonly gets residue on it. When you do wipe it, be sure not to grip it to prevent damaging the soldered joints. It's important to wipe down the tenon because it prevents debris from scratching the joints of your flute when you assemble and disassemble it. Wipe down the rest of the head joint to remove any other residue. The embouchure hole can accumulate residue that can affect the sound. You can use a cotton swab and a dab of water or rubbing alcohol to gently clean the inside of the embouchure hole. You can use your case to hold the head joint while you clean it. For the body and foot joint cleaning, you can use a dry microfiber cloth. For the body, wipe the tenon down where the foot joint connects. For the inside of the joint where the head joint connects, use a cotton swab. You can add a dab of water or alcohol if needed. Wipe down the tube with a dry cloth, but try not to get between the keys or in between the rods and mechanisms. That area is best cleaned by a flute technician. The case provides a convenient place to wipe down the tops of the keys. If your keys stick when you play them, you can use woodwind drying paper, a pad dryer, or a similar product. Powdered paper is not recommended. Insert the paper or pad dryer between the key and the hole and press the key down a few times. If it's really moist, adjust to another dry spot and repeat. For the foot joint, clean the inside of the joint with a cotton swab or cloth, and then you can wipe down the tube. The case is a safe place to hold the foot joint so you can clean the tops of the keys. Be sure to bring your flute to a trusted flute repair technician at least once per year. We hope you found this episode helpful. Please subscribe to our channel for more flute tips. In the next episode, we will discuss more about flute care. See you then!